Hello out there. Welcome to our little house over here in Brandon, Florida. The kitchen is done, and I'm going to give you a quick little tour and all the kitchen toys and stuff, and you tell me what you think. I still got to work on the living room. I still have to work on the bedroom, but the kitchen is the heart of the home. So I think we're off to a good start. Now, if you take a minute, sit down, relax, have some popcorn, soda, whatever. We're gonna give you a quick 5-second tour. And don't worry, it's a disco music in the living room. All right, over here, that's me when I graduated from high school. That was in '83. That's a picture of my family. That's my cousin on the left, my dad, my gramps, and my aunt's husband. The first three gentlemen have passed on, and the last one is still here with us. But there you go. You know, a modern little blender, an old blender, working there side by side with an Alexa, or in my case, I call her computer. Over here we have a beautiful kitchen table. It's seated for 6. Got cute little dishes there, and coffee pot. Over here, I call this the Italian section. I got a coffee maker, toaster. Over here, this, incense for healing, popcorn, some soda, juices. If we come in here, got some nice dishes, and those are for like desserts. Let's slide over here. Got more cups, another set of silverware, dishes, sorry. I got more dishes here, and for desserts and stuff, and more coffee cups. And in the last little drawer, another set, and of course some mugs from my sister, and more stuff. And oops, just when you think you've seen enough, oh no, please sit back, relax. There's more to unveil here in this beautiful, stylish restaurant / kitchen. I have another woman in the kitchen called computer. Anyway, got my nice stove. I got some toys. I got a deep fryer over there. I got a panini bread thing. I got the coffee maker over there. Got the crock pot. I got a little mixer thing here. Let me just switch you around. And I got that from my sister's daughter. And I have a little angel from my mom. I picked up a can opener, toaster. That was another gift I got. And a new microwave. And of course, blender, panini, knives. And if you happen to notice, everything here has like the red. I kind of like that feeling, And of course, I know you're going to ask, what's in the fridge? Oh, sure, I'll show you. I got bottles of booze for Halloween. They had them on sale. I haven't opened them. I had orange juice. That's gone. Got water. I got breakfast for tomorrow. I got booze. And of course, most importantly, I started collecting wine. I hope everybody likes wine. Anyway, and of course, beer. I like Blue Moon, and I also like Corona. Well, anyway, that's the end of the kitchen tour. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you look behind me, there's a horrible mess everywhere. But just sneak by.
Now, your chance to win
iHeartRadio, a big old TV, another gift. Don't worry about this. This is Bill's. It's messy. Don't worry about that. Just walk you this way. Careful. Easy does it. This is the beautiful, stylish kitchen. Bathroom. I'm still thinking about the kitchen. This is the bathroom. It's a normal bathroom. It's nice and clean. I gotta work on it, a bunch of stuff I gotta put away. And if you just follow me this way very carefully, there's a closet, like any other closet, no big deal. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is where all the magic happens. This is the champagne room. the very famous world-class champagne room with a large queen-size bed with a bunch of junk I got to get rid of, figure out where it goes. And I know you're asking, in the champagne room, is there closet space? Why? Yes, there is. There's tons of closet space. In fact, the other side of the room, excuse me, there's a whole other closet I haven't figured out what to do with yet. And only because I am a happy-go-lucky modern type guy, my apartment has its own little vanity slash woman's dresser, I guess you call it. But I got my Wi-Fi. That's the important thing. That's the important thing. Anyway, that ends the tour for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Well, when I finish cleaning up the rest of this house, I can give you another tour. As always, thank you for coming. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love the kitchen. The kitchen's fucking dope. It's killer. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tour. And as soon as I figure out what I'm doing with the rest of the house, I'll give you guys another tour. Thank you. God bless. Don't forget to thank the men and women who serve this great country. Don't forget the firefighters, the first responders. And God bless America. Thank you. And have a good day. Bye, guys.